Hello guys, sometimes I receive comments like this. Exercise adjacent selection is a fantastic tool which current software has not implemented. This feature, I don't know why, it allows you easily grow your selection with patterns. So I think one of the reasons people think 3ds Max is a bad software is because they don't know all of its features. In this video I'll show you how you can grow your selection with patterns. In order to use this, we simply select the polygon, selection, select, patterns, and here we have 1 through 8. Grow lines, checker, dots, and one ring. And by default you have to keep on left clicking here. But to speed up the process you can simply go into customize hotkey editor. So simply left click here, press PA, PAT, and here you can set all of these patterns to a hotkey. If you want checker, press CHE, and here we have checker. Let's try an unused hotkey. Well, I'm going to try Control-Shift-1. Alright, so now I can select this. Control-Shift-1. Here I'm just holding down Control-Shift and pressing 1 over and over again. And there you go guys. Fast checker selection. You can do the same for other ones as well. So now, for example, I'll apply the autoplay modifier, and now I can do some sort of nice cyber muscle details, for example. Couch patterns and more things. Thank you for watching and take care.